In this video, I'll guide you through how to accept Apple Pay on your Squarespace website. If you're running an online store and want to offer your customers a convenient and secure payment option, Apple Pay is a fantastic choice. It allows users to make quick payments using their Apple devices, and integrating it into your Squarespace site is surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to get you set up. First, head over to your home menu. This is your command center in Squarespace where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're there, look for the settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Click on that and you'll see a list of different settings you can adjust for your site. What we're interested in today is the selling section, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll want to select the payment settings, which might also be labeled as payments on your screen. This area is crucial as it controls how your customers can pay for the products or services you offer. Ensuring this is set up correctly is key to a smooth checkout experience for your users. Now, you'll need to click on your connected payment processor. Depending on how you've set up your site, this could either be Stripe or Squarespace payments. Both of these processors support Apple Pay, so don't worry if yours is different from someone else's. Click on your processor to proceed. Once you're in the payment processor settings, find the Apple Pay toggle. This is the switch that allows Apple Pay to be available as a payment option on your site. You'll want to ensure this toggle is turned on. If it's off, simply click it to turn it on. This step is crucial because without enabling Apple Pay here, it won't appear as an option for your customers during checkout. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled Apple Pay on your Squarespace website, providing your customers with a seamless and quick way to pay. Remember to test the checkout process to make sure everything is working smoothly. You might want to try it out using an Apple device to experience the process just like your customers would. This will give you peace of mind knowing that everything is set up correctly. By integrating Apple Pay, you're not only offering convenience, but also enhancing security for your customers, as Apple Pay uses advanced encryption and authentication methods. This can lead to increased trust and potentially more sales. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide has helped you integrate Apple Pay into your Squarespace site. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.